Hello. How do I look? How is this lighting? So today I'm actually going to be showing you how to make a ring light all by yourself for less than $20. I will actually tell you how much everything costs. So you do need oil, a box of LED rope lights. This is a 16-foot, which worked perfectly fine. And it is a daylight. They had, if you can see right there, it's the daylight lights. They had another type of light. I think it was like the soft lights, but I wanted daylight because that's the whole point. I needed to give me some light. And then you also need a flower arrangement ring that I got from Dollar Tree. And zip ties. So this by no means is my idea. I did not make this up. I've actually had a couple of YouTuber friends that have done videos on this type of DIY ring light. So it's not my idea, just full disclosure, but for any of my viewers who have never seen this, I just thought I'd share. I was planning on doing this anyways, but I just figured why not film it for anyone who kind of wants to know how to do it. I look like a bum, I know. It's Friday night. I was like, should I get ready for this video? No. Anyways, I'll stop talking. I apologize for the really crappy lighting the whole time. If you want to see how to make your own ring light at home for less than $20, then keep on watching. That part took a long ass time, but let me just show you up close. So you're going to want to put the zip tie for every ring that there is. You want to put a zip tie and just go around in the circle. So it'll look like this now, and what you're going to do is go through and cut off the ends of these zip ties, and just be careful because they're sharp once you cut them off. So cut all of these off. Okay, the next step is putting some foil. This is totally optional, but I feel like this will help reflect the light better. So I'm actually just going to wrap it on the bottom side. Okay, moment of truth. I have a big shadow on my face because this is on my tripod. Ta-da! Wow. What do you guys think? That is actually a really good light. So this is just with the light that's on my ceiling. Wow. Hella cheap too. Let's try it with the lights off. Hold on. Let's turn the lights off and see. So this is what it looks like with all of the lights off in the room. Pretty good, I think. Okay, so this is what it looks like, but this is just my tripod, and don't mind the mess back there. This is just my tripod right here, and then I just actually just stuck it like right on top of it. I didn't even do anything special. And then I have my little thing there to hold my camera, and then it just goes right in to the wall. So I made sure I got the daylight lights. They're more of like a white light, which I like a lot better than, I don't like the yellow looking lights. So this is what it looks like. It looks a little ghetto, but it seriously does the job.